Hi, I'm an advocate. My name is Shivaprasad Kanojia. Today I have to talk about the fresh and first generation lawyers and advocates. What challenges they face in the legal profession. First of all, the challenge is that the fresh advocate and the first generation advocates have no experience, that is the practical experience, and because of this they suffer a lot. They also find difficult to get the seniors, most probably the first generation advocate. There are some of the fresh advocates, but they have some relatives and they have some connectivity because of their relatives, and they get the senior and they get internship job very easily. But because of the first generation advocate, they don't have any connectivity with the right community of the lawyers and the advocates, and therefore they are struggling to get and to find out the seniors in this field. Whether here all these things you have to keep in your mind that though you have to struggle hard to get the practical experience, here in this case no fixed work hour is given. However, you have to work hard. Many of the lawyers and advocates, during their getting the experience, they may be forced to stay in an office or to complete the work at home. If you want to be a successful lawyer, then you have to dedicate your time and efforts, and lot of hard work is required there. Only you can, if you once become a successful lawyer, then you can be rewarded there. And now, role of money, the advocates who pass their law studies and thereafter they starts finding the job, there you may not always be able to get the good job, pays well. To be an advocate is not an easy task. Here the role of money is also plays very important role in your life. So there are so many jobs, small jobs are there which you can do alongside your practice, means taking the practical experience so that you can survive in this field. However, there is also one of the thing that you also have to create a connectivity among the right community of the lawyers and advocate. And if you fail to create a connectivity among the lawyers and advocates in the community of the advocates and lawyers, then you may not be a successful lawyer, because once you create connectivity among the rights community of advocates and lawyers, they may be help you to boost your journey to success. The field of the law attracts many students. Many of the students, they simply choose the legal industry, and they think that they will think later on when they will start the legal profession. But to be an advocate is not an easy task. You have to work hard, you have to devote the time, efforts, and once you succeed in this, there cannot be, once you entered into this field, then don't look back and tried your level best to be a good lawyer. Press the icon bell and so that you can receive the notification for another video.